Hi everyone, so today we are in Canggu. It's time to have a coffee o'clock. So we just stop here and I'll show you around how is this place. It's very cute place and very organic.
Very organic, but look at this cake.
So we decided to have a coffee and look at the cakes. So tempting, yum yum. And this is basically the place. It's called the Bokasi place, and you can see that there are so many organic products here. Yeah, so cool. Basically this is the shop and downstairs, and like I told you, there are so many organic products around. It's very nice. And then we are going upstairs. Upstairs is basically the cafe. I'll show you how it is upstairs. Look at this. Yeah, so very nice furniture, and wow, it's like so many nice antique things. So yeah, I really like the design here. It's just like a wooden house restaurant with this one, a bonsai, and you see the interior design inside. So cute. There are so many antique furnitures on the left, on the right side, and the sitting area is so cute. And yeah, so interesting place for the coffee.
Okay, let's get started today with the Berava Canggu, which is the oldest part of Canggu and probably the most popular one, mostly because of the two beach clubs, or three actually, like a Finns beach club here perhaps, which was one of the first beach clubs here in Canggu, or maybe the first actually, I'm not sure about that, but one of the first for sure. Saint-Tropez, which is also the part of the Finns beach club, and later the biggest beach club in Southeast Asia, which is the Atlas, which we going soon. Actually is very nearby, next to it is here. So this is Atlas Beach Club, which calls actually Atlas Beach Fest, which is the biggest beach club in Southeast Asia or even in Asia region. At least that's how they advertise. And this is what I actually read as well. And this is the little bit of the traffic situation. So as you can see, driving in Berava in general is a little bit different. Different state of mind. And generally this is the closer part of Canggu to Seminyak. So that's why the biggest traffic jam starting usually in Seminyak, and when you are going to Canggu, the first place in Canggu what you will visit is Berava, and this is the most crowded, busiest part of Canggu in general. Because if you go to the area where we were yesterday, where is the Deus's Machina, the beach bar and other stuff, is already not that crowded like here, which is a little bit more enjoyable in my opinion. Personally, I prefer other side of Canggu. However, we cannot forget about this part of Canggu. Considering as recently everywhere is the construction, especially on the right side of the road, this part of Canggu never died and is still growing and developing so much. As you can see right now, Sunny Arts apartments and everything, and the restaurant, so much is going on here. Also, the newest thing here is that as recently they finished the footpath here, which is nice. It was really needed, and Canggu finally have it, which is good thing. So recently looks more closer to Seminyak, Legian, Kuta, and any other older parts of Bali because there is the footpath. And the construction, actually, amount of developments in Berava Canggu is just ridiculously high. So much is going on all the time. It's like so many shops. What's going on? You see girls working, local boys whistling. This is like, that's the vibe. And the Berava obviously have two main streets. That was the one, that's the connecting street. And there will be the other one, where is the Finns, not beach club, but Finns school and Finns recreation club. But we focus today on this side. A lot of cafes, boutiques and everything. And the footpath as well, the new footpath, which is good, of course, good thing. And in general, Canggu, especially Berava, like any other parts of Bali, it's popular for the restaurants, clubs. Additionally, the clubs, actually beach clubs, but also a lot of boutiques, digital nomad centers right now. This is how they call it, digital nomad centers. And in general, many different kind of businesses. Of course, you can find the barbers, tattoo shops, massage and stuff. And they also actually building the footpath still till this moment. So it's not finished 100% yet everywhere. But overall, that's the vibes in Berava Canggu. What I'm gonna tell you, this is it. Going to have a place, coffee or some lunch or dinner or drink. What you saw at the beginning of this video actually, because we're filming this after our coffee actually because of the timing. But overall, the point is the same, and the Canggu looks like this one. It's actually pretty alive, I'm gonna tell you, from the perspective of the street situation and the traffic is pretty alive, but at least as it's not during any holiday season, it's not overcrowded. It's just busy enough. Actually, regarding the traffic jam, I just said it's not overcrowded, but we're gonna stuck in the little traffic jam. So, but everybody, you see those people going from Berava, they leaving Berava going to Seminyak actually. So that's why the traffic is actually to this moment, to the first street of Berava Street. Actually, this is the official Berava Street, and this is where always traffic is. So it's very specific place in Canggu in general, in Bali and in Canggu. So that's the traffic situation. It's pretty crazy, and we are going to this place. At least we're trying to cross the street and going to Bokashi here. But it's not that easy task to do. Of course, those people will force you, don't let you go, because they are like this. No behavior in Bali. They are not Balinese either, so nothing to actually expect. And this is it. This is how you go. It's not easy actually, not easy though, but we made it.
All right, this is it. Every single day the traffic in Canggu just like this. So what I can say then, this is everyday life, and that's over there is the Canggu Community School and some boutique, some shop, and yeah,
guys, we actually had a coffee at the beginning of the video, but we had just arrived. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy a little bit of the traffic situation. This is the beginning of Berava, the most busiest and crowded place in Bali so far. So enjoy and see you tomorrow on the next one.